everybody, and welcome to another phonics lesson. Today we are going to be learning the A sound. A, 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 A. Very good. We've got a girl and her mum, and they are making a cake. A, make a cake. A, make a cake. Let's get a big mixing bowl and mix up our cake. A, make a cake. What flavour is it going to be? Is it going to be chocolate? Is it going to be vanilla with sprinkles? I wonder. A, make a cake. Very good. So, I'm going to Fred talk some words now and you're going to tell me what word they are. N-A-M. Name. P-L-A-C. Place. M-A-K. Make. Very good blending. What does A look like? 2 letters, 1 sound. That is a special friend. Very good. We have got the letter A and the letter E, and together they make the A sound. Fantastic. Now, there is something a little bit different about these special friends. These 2 special friends were very cheeky in class, and they were talking to each other, so much so that the teacher had to separate them. She had to split them. We call this a split special friends. So, A, then a letter sits in between them, and then the letter E. A and E make A. A, make a cake. Very good. Let's read some A words. Actually, no, we're not going to read A words yet because we need to hide it in the pack. So I've put A in the pack. When you see it, you have to say, found you. Let's go. E, A, oi. E, found you. What is the special friends? A, very good. I, oi, u, e, a, oi, e, found you. What is our special friends? A, very good. Now you're going to do it all by yourself. Super speedy sounds. You. What is our special friends? A, very good. Let's read some green words. So we need to spot the special friends. Fred talk, read the word. Watch me. Special friends, A. Fred talk, S-A-M, same. You have a go. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Same, very good. Special friends, A, Fred talk, late, fantastic. Special friends, Fred talk, name, very good work. Special friends, Fred talk, date, very well done. Special friends, oi and s. Fred talk, v, oi, s. Voice. Did I trick you with that one? Special friends, E. Fred talk, clean. Special friends, Fred in your head this time. Read the word. Voice. Special friends, Fred in your head. Read the word. Super speedy sounds, everyone. Well done. Now we are going to have a look at some alien words. So Same thing, you need to see if there's any special friends. Fred talk and then read the word. Special friends? No special friends in this one. Fred talk. Blan. Special friends. K. Very good. Fred talk. Gek. Special friends. Fred talk. Snemp. What a lot of nonsense those words were. Time for some red tricky words. No. Some. Oh, I dropped one. The. Call. My. He. I've. Of. Very good work, everybody. Now it is time for us to hold a sentence. That means I'm going to tell you a sentence and you are going to help me write it. Then you've got to remember it and write it for yourself. So our sentence is, put the cake on the plate. Put the cake on the plate. Put the cake on the plate. Let's pinch it. Put the cake on the plate. 6 words in that sentence. Clap with me. Put the cake on the plate. Put the cake on the plate. Put the cake on the plate. Let's see if we can do it faster. Put the cake on the plate. Put the cake on the plate. Let's have a go at writing it. Our sentences need to start with a capital letter. They need to have finger spaces in between each word. That's my beautiful finger. They need to have a full stop at the end of the sentence. And our sound that we are learning is the A sound. Very good. So, put the cake on the plate, full stop. Let's write put. Put is one of our tricky words. Let's see if we can use our sounds to help us. P. Capital letter. Tricky word. It's not an it's the letter U. T. Put. And then let's not forget finger spaces. Put the, another red tricky word, but we know that really well. Put the cake. Cake. K. A. K. Cake. Without a special friends. So we write K. A, but there needs to be a letter in between. Cake. Put the cake on the plate. 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 A special friends, but we need to separate it with the T. Plate. Am I finished? No, I need a full stop at the end of my sentence. Let's have a go and read it. Put the cake on the plate. Got it all right? Take a picture with your mind. I'm going to rub it out. Because now it is your turn to write that sentence. Put the cake on the plate. Get your grown-up to check that you got it all right and then take a picture of your work and put it on Class Dojos or DB Primary so that I can see your beautiful work. Thank you for joining me and I will see you next time.